Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Whitepaper channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Pi Network. Once again, I just found amazing news, a latest update about this project. We will check the chart, we will check the price, we will check the updated white paper, even we will check some other news of the Pi Network. There are amazing news about the AI, about a new member recently joined the PyCode team. So, and then we will check what things you can find inside the white paper, the updated one, each and everything I will cover inside this video. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Pressure Project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, and make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this is updated white paper, MICA. So what is MICA? If we check in here, markets in crypto assets regulation. This is the full form of MICA. So to create a unified regulatory framework for a crypto assets like Bitcoin, stable coins, and crypto asset service providers. This is what Pi Network is going to jumping to the regulation, even I can say. So Pi core team updated a latest MICA white paper, and Pi achieves MICA compliance. Okay, there are some key highlighted. If we check in here, although you can check the white paper, there are, I can say, 36 pages. You can check it yourself if you want. Otherwise, here are some highlighted points you can check in here. So Pi Network seeks admission to trading in the EU and EEA aligned with the MICA regulation and full compliance. This is a good news. Pi Network, I can say, legally is going to be listed in here. A volume will come in here, trading. So everything going to change in the future. Pi operates on its own layer, one blockchain, using a consensus mechanism based on Stellar Consensus Protocol and federated Byzantine agreement. So there is no initial coin offering for Pi. All token distribution happens through the mobile mining and user contributions. The maximum supply is 100 billion, circulating supply is at 0.2 billion. The ecosystem supports direct peer-to-peer payments, like enabling you can buy and sell goods and services directly without any third party. So Pi offers a non-custodial wallet, giving users a total control over their tokens and private keys through the Pi browser application. A strong KYC and KYB requirement for both individual and businesses. So Pi tokens do not carry ownership. So you can check, there are 15 points. MICA compliant exchanges such as OKEx in the EU will facilitate wider Pi trading and increased liquidity. So liquidity is going to increase. If the liquidity increases, we will see a higher value for the Pi network. All trading is in secondary markets only. There is no public offering or fund rising in this process. So this is some key point of the updated white paper. Although MICA, a market in crypto assets, this is somehow I can say Pi network slowly moving, I can say become one of the best project. If you check in here, this is the thing. Pi wallet update currently available on the testnet. This already demonstrates its immense security potential when the nearby mainnet launches. So check in here, send Pi coin with fingerprint, send Pi coin with Face ID. This is, I can say, about the security, one of the top high level of the security while transferring your coin, while sending your coin from one wallet to other wallet, even just like paying for goods and services. You can use your fingerprint, you can use your Face ID, somehow a good point. But this is in the testnet. Is it real? Fico team did not announce anything about this, but this is what the pioneers are talking about, what things are going around the Pi network ecosystem. So Pi network aims to turn its 50 million nodes into a decentralized AI compute layer, letting everyday devices power AI instead of big cloud providers. So Pi network, already I can say move to the AI, artificial intelligence, about the KYC, about different thing. Even AI just help lots of partners. Their KYC just verified because of the AI. It's very easy to just find the real person and the fake one. So now 50 million nodes into a decentralized AI computing layer. So this is what in the white paper you can see. Let me show you here. This one, yeah. So Pi operates on its own layer one blockchain. On its own layer one blockchain. Pi network having its own blockchain. Developers can create tokens in here. Developers can create applications in here. So you can do lots of things with the Pi network ecosystem. So the last update is Paul Kim has joined the Pi Foundation as the head of APSC. He also attended the recent meetup held in Seoul, where he engaged and communicated directly with Korean pioneers. You can see as a Twitter ID, if I show you, this is the picture. I'm happy to share that I'm starting a new position as a head of APSC at the Pi Foundation. So, one thing about this, let me know in the comment section. Somehow, big things are coming in the future. If I show you the price, so here you can see inside the coin market cap. This is the chart. All the market is just falling down. Even I can say Bitcoin, below 19,000. So Ethereum below 3,000. So the Pi network now the price is 0.2 cent. And now the market cap is 1.8 billion. Daily volume dropped 40%. Huge drop in the daily volume. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Not only the Pi network, I can see the whole market is in a bearish, I can see in a downtrend. So make sure to just save your capital, save your money. Okay, so smash the like button to new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. To the next video. Goodbye. See you.